Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic knot. This technique can be used for when you're changing colors, although it's best used when you are making a project and you have one ball of yarn that you're running out of and you need to join your next ball of yarn, normally all in the same color. That way it hides the knot really well. So today though I'm going to be using two different colors just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So to make a magic knot, you've got the end of one ball of yarn and then the end of the other ball of yarn. Lay them out across from each other. And you take one yarn, put it under the other one. Now, just using that yarn, you're going to make just a real simple little knot. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Pull it really, really tight. Okay. Then you take your other yarn, put it under the other one, and use that yarn only to make another knot around the yarn. And you're going to pull it really, really tight. Now you're going to take the end of both of the yarns and you're just going to pull them together, and they're going to come right there in the middle. And then, oh, this one is really close to the edge. That's okay, just give it an extra little tug there. Pull it together again, nice and tight. Now you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut off little ends right there. Cut off the other little end. Go, so you're not wasting very much yarn at all. And then you've got a really nice tight join that it's not going to come apart. You don't have to worry about washing this or putting it in the dryer. It's going to stay really nice and tight. It's going to hold really well. And once you continue on your work, you probably won't even notice that that knot is there. So there you go. There's your magic knot. Thanks for watching.